What's up, people? Welcome to today's vlog. Uh, yeah, I don't know what to do. Yeah, today is a really good day. Yeah, I can tell you the energy is through the roof right now. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that like and subscribe button. I'll appreciate it, the support. We're about to hit 600 subscribers, and yeah, let's enjoy today. And my sister just got that one idea of going on Omegle and spread the gospel, and it's fun. But I can't even go on Omegle because I'm really scared on what I'm gonna see, or I don't really talk to people in person, which is which I'm really shy because I don't know why. And I just got on Omegle like a few minutes ago, and I told one guy, "Did you know Jesus loves you?" And he's like, "You remind me to tell me that Jesus loves you." And I said, "Yes." Then he said, "I appreciate it." Uh, I don't know. But anyway, I told him, like, God bless, and I scrolled away. Can I show you all my outfit check? Hold on. Sheesh. That one outfit, bro. It is like 100% cotton. Uh, yeah, with the chain. I'm not flexing, I'm just showing. This is just pure silver, by the way. Sheesh. This one's for the fans. Damn, it's so nice being outside. The sun is bright though.
Boy.
Yeah, I don't know what to do for the whole vlog, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Um, in the future, I'll gonna try my best to make the vlog entertaining. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this vlog, hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. And yeah, why am I so tired? So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. It's been Ryan. So my almost stuttering. See you guys in the next video.